week of the winter session of the parliament, and we can expect fireworks in the parliament today because discussions are going to begin on Vande Mataram, and it is the Prime Minister who will be leading. So the stage is set for the Vande Mataram debate. It's week 2 of the winter session of the parliament, and all eyes are going to be on the debate. The Lok Sabha will hold a special 10-hour discussion on the legacy of Vande Mataram. In fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to be leading the debate, opening the discussion, while Defence Minister Rajnath Singh will deliver the concluding remarks later in the day. So for 10 hours, the Parliament is going to be debating the same. The BJP has been allotted 3 hours of the total discussion time, with 10 speakers from the BJP expected to participate. The focus of the debate will be on the national song's historical significance. Now let's talk about what can be expected today. Viewers, remember the Prime Minister had launched the year-long celebrations on the 7th of November, emphasizing the outreach, and he had said that the entire focus of it is going to be the outreach to the youth and the students, and also previously accused the Congress party as well. And this is where the politics of it is really going to come in. He had accused the Congress of dropping key stanzas of Vande Mataram in 1937, sowing the seeds of partition. Now, that is the big charge that had come in as well. So let's break it down for you, tell you what this entire controversy is about, what can be expected in the parliament, and the political fireworks that are expected as well. So let's talk about one statement that the Prime Minister mentioned of how there were missing stanzas that really take away the essence of the song. So what is this entire controversy about? Let's break it down for you. Now, as we know, the song has been written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, originally written in the 1870s and 1880s. It became a very powerful symbol of the freedom struggle. So it was a big part of our freedom struggle. So it is a song that has been an emotion for the entire country. It has been a symbol of our freedom struggle, and it was adopted for all India use by the Congress in the early 20th century. Now is when the controversy really begins after some decades, because by 1950, the song was given equal status with the national anthem. And it was in 1937 that the Congress Working Committee had decided to use only the first 2 stanzas. Now, this is where I was saying where the politics can really break out, because then the decision that was taken by the Congress Working Committee was to use only the first 2 stanzas. Later, the stanzas with specific religious imagery were completely dropped. And that is where the political fight really begins.